A city shapes the lives and outlooks of its residents, thus the importance of creating spaces where people from all walks of life can come together to celebrate health, friendship and life. In urban areas, green and open spaces are often a scarce commodity, but not in Addis Ababa. The new extension of Friendship Park has a sports area that encourages visitors to be active and stay fit, a children's section full of activities which allows them to engage with their environment in a fun context, and a beautiful garden for weddings, providing a unique venue to celebrate every couple's perfect day. Let's take a closer look at each of these connected spaces, starting with our children. It's important to recognize the crucial role that play has in early childhood development and how the lack of it can have long-term consequences on their learning abilities as well as their physical and mental health. The new children's park in the heart of Addis Ababa has many outdoor games where children from all backgrounds can safely be themselves and express their fun-loving nature while developing crucial cognitive, physical, social and emotional skills. The different structures and colorful spaces give them the freedom to choose how they want to play, allowing them to interact with other children while awakening their creative instincts. While children are having fun, they're actually growing and developing in ways they could never imagine, such as boosting their self-confidence, their self-esteem, and learning how to deal with challenges. Healthy youngsters grow into healthy adults, and as such, the park offers vast areas that promote physical activities benefiting the mind, the body, and the soul. Improved health enhances a nation's productivity, and in turn has a positive impact on the economy. Soccer field, a basketball court and running tracks, fitness enthusiasts are sure to break a sweat while enjoying the green and natural surroundings. A garden and landscape design does not only enhance health and well-being, but also celebrates a couple's special day. A wedding is a huge affair. But when it comes to Ethiopian weddings, the magnitude of importance increases. Ethiopian wedding traditions and culture has many rituals, amongst which is the very important step whereby the bride and groom head to a beautiful garden park where photos and videos are taken, immortalizing what's considered one of the most important moments of one's life. Newlyweds can now enjoy this new park with lush green grass and beautiful flowers. This is not just a park, it's a lifestyle.